Lights are coming here, so guys, it's a very exciting moment, guys. So at Omar's Garage, custom built everything, built not bought. Karibuni sana kwa YouTube kwenye mtandao wetu. Please feel free to engage us, ask us questions. Don't forget to subscribe because that's what keeps us going. I removed this engine, I worked on the engine, I worked on the cabs, I worked on the radiator, cleaned it, fixed it, everything. I made this to more powerful alternator, water pump, exhaust system nimeweka nyingine. So this car, it's going to be running like a new car, guys. So I mean, I love this machine. It's gonna be one of my favorite machines in the road. Something amazing. We'll do something good. We'll make sure that this thing holds and drives like a new car. I'm very passionate about this build. I love this build. I know that I'm going to make something very beautiful and amazing. So I can't wait for this car to hit the road. And this car, usually it's an Italian car, na inafunguka on the wrong side of the on the wrong side of the road. So ukienda kuingia ufungui hivi, you have to come like this. That's how you open this baby up. So this is how, you know, it was built, mostly this car was built for a lady. So if you're wearing a skirt, unajua utakuja ukunje skirt alafu now you sit in. Unaona? Yeah? So that's how you relax on this baby bana. So it was made with the ladies point of view. Ukishaka ndani now sasa hapo uko na sunroof. It's going to have a soft top. Yeah, so I'm making a sunroof for it. It's going to be a soft top. Utaweza kuzunguka na gari while it's open. Utaifungua halfway ama ufungue full way as you like. So it's something very beautiful and amazing. So that is the front. So front ndio kuna tank, guys. Tank ya mafuta iko hapa. That's where the battery stays. Hapo ndio brake fluid inaingia, and the brake fluid works for both the brakes and works also for other things. So hapa iko na mshipi. I'm sure you are wondering hii mshipi ni ya nini. Umezoea kuona mshipi kwa jeans, but this one actually you can strap it in there, bro. So iko na buckle baka. So you put a buckle on it na una strap. So that's going to have the logo. We're going to put the logo hapa, alafu iko na emblems zingine hapa. So this one is just the first coat. I haven't done the final coat on it, guys. It's going to be really very beautiful car. I can't wait for this car to be ready.
So next
Yeah. Yeah. So, okay. So I'll be talking to her.